What up, people? On today's episode of Mike's Motorbikes, we're going to be looking at the newest addition to my garage. Here we have my newly built 124 scale RC crawler track. With the help of my lovely girlfriend starting this morning, we got this project all put together. As you guys can see, I went for the kind of vibe of using all natural materials here. Everything except for that and that, which are hides out of lizard tanks, is all natural dirt, rocks, or sticks. So my goal here with this project was to do the entire thing for under $150, which I actually did it for less. I did it for $120. Started out with a dining room table I purchased locally off Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. Then we took a ride over to the hardware store. I reinforced the table down below and on the side. And then we framed out the top with lumber from Lowe's. Then I purchased these rocks, and these dolly wheels from Lowe's, and everything else is just from around the yard, or like these rocks were from leftover projects, and then just all kind of natural stuff, as I said. So another reason I wanted to use all natural material was I'm a newbie to the RC crawling thing, and this is my first attempt at building anything, so I wanted to be able to kind of move everything as I please. So everything is kind of, formable and movable. I could change any obstacle I want at any time. As my skills progress and as I upgrade my truck, I could kind of just move everything around and make it better as I please. So today we're going to be driving my first 124 scale rock crawler. It is a SCX 24 bone stock, all down to the wheels and tires, no upgrades at all. So as I said, I'm a new driver, but also I'm driving a stock truck, which is not very capable, but you'll still get an idea of the whole track. There's another view. I'll show you the whole thing, and then we'll get a drive going on it. So I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing me talk, so without further ado, I'm going to be driving with one hand, and let's see what this truck can do. Oh, let's see if we can get her saved. Yeah, she's a beast. I think that's probably cheating, but whatever. No one's counting. Oh, close one. This turn I might change up a little bit. It's kind of challenging, but isn't that the point of this, I guess? Oh, all right, let's give this turn another shot. I think you kind of got to get both tires up like this, and then cut it hard, and then reposition. Do that. A closer one, huh? There we go. Look at that. Another challenging obstacle for this little truck.